Hello and welcome to this lesson, Introduction to the Pine Script Editor. This lesson consists of following sections. First, I'll introduce you to the Pine Script Editor, then I will demonstrate how to open the Pine Script Editor. I will cover some advantages of using the Pine Script Editor, and I will cover also some of the important features of the editor, such as syntax highlighting, syntax reminders, Pine Script quick reference, how to access it, how to use autocomplete features, and some other features like versioning of the Pine Script Editor. So in this lesson, we'll study the essential tool for every TradingView script developer, the Pine Script Editor. As you start a journey to master script writing and algorithmic trading, understanding the power of this tool is very important. The Pine Script Editor is your dedicated workspace for creating trading scripts. While you could use any other text editor and then paste the created text inside of the Pine Script Editor, the dedicated Pine Script Editor is a tool that offers several advantages that can significantly boost your productivity and streamline your development process. To access Pine Script Editor, go to the TradingView.com and create a free account if you don't have one. After you logged in, click on Products, Supercharts menu option. Then, when you get to the Supercharts screen, click on the Pine Editor button at the bottom of this screen. As you see, the Pine Script Editor window opened up. This window, you can enlarge it or reduce it if you need to by dragging the top line of this editor. Also, you can use this button to maximize this TradingView Pine Script panel or hide it completely. Then you can use this button again to show it back. Now, I will cover some of the main features of the Pine Script Editor. On the top of the editor, you can see Untitled Script. This is the name of our script. When you save the Pine Script and give it a name, the name will be here. Next button is the search button. When you click here, you can search for the inside of the Pine Script Editor for the text. Also, when you click on this button, toggle replace, you can find and replace text within your script. Next button is Open button. In this button has this menu option has several sub menus, such as new indicator, new strategy, and new library, where you can create new scripts, new indicators, new strategies, and new libraries. Also, we can use this button, for example, to check the built-in scripts if you need to. Save button to save the currently edited script. Add to chart after you finalize your script and want to test it and apply it on the chart. You click on this button, the script is applied to the trading chart at the top of this screen. If you want to publish your script to be available for public, you can press on this button, and the last button over here, 3 dots. You can use this button to access, for example, user manual of Pine Script. You click on this, and here you can browse or search within the Pine Script version 5 user manual. Also, there is a reference manual available. When you click on it, you can try to find any function or operator of the Pine Script version 5. For example, if we click RSI, it will try to find within the database of Pine Script operators and functions the corresponding text. It found ta.rsi function. You click on it and it will open and provide you with information related to that function or operator. Now, PineScript editor has several advantages. Let's explore where PineScript editor stands out. First of all, how to create the script, right? How this script was actually created. This is a default strategy script. To create a default script to start developing any type of script, you click on Open Script, then you can create new indicator, for example, and it inserts the default indicator into the PineScript editor. After that, you can edit it and you can add your code inside of this window and change this code if you need to. Let's create, for example, new strategy, and then let's explore some features of the PineScript editor on this strategy script example. First advantage of PineScript editor is syntax highlighting. As you see, this script is has a multicolor text which improves readability of the code. It intelligently highlights your code following PineScript syntax, making errors more noticeable and coding more efficient. For example, if you start typing something and create some error and you try to save it, it highlights with the red underscore that this part of the script has error. Then you should go and fix this error before saving the script. Next, syntax reminders. Hovering over built-in library function prompts helpful syntax reminders, reducing the chance of errors in your code. Let's hover on any function, for example, on strategy. You can see the window popped up with the quick reference information about the function that we hovered on. Let's hover on another function, ta.crossover. We can see a window with related information popped up with the quick reference of this function where you can get necessary information. This is like a tooltip for the related function or operator once you mouse over the certain operator or function in your PineScript code. Next, quick reference. Easily access PineScript reference manual by simply clicking Ctrl and click on PineScript keywords, ensuring you always have the documentation at your fingerprints. For example, let's try to find information related to strategy.entry function and to open the quick reference related to that function. Click on the Ctrl button on your keyboard and click on the left with the left mouse on this function. You see the quick reference window opened with the information related to strategy.entry function. Autocomplete. The editor features an autocomplete function triggered by Ctrl plus space, which accelerates your coding by suggesting completion as you type. For example, you start typing TA dot and it's already suggests you to autocomplete this function that you type. You can select any of this proposed version of the next part of the code. You can select any of them, or you can keep typing as well, right? So for example, if you select ta dot Alma, you can just simply click it, and after that keep typing. It auto completing whatever you type. Efficient workflow. Another advantage of PineScript editor. The editor saves, compiles and runs your script quickly, minimizing delays and writes compile run cycle. For example, let's say we completed our changes, we want to save it. We can save our script. It's asking us for the name. We can change the name, custom strategy, and then we click save. Our script saved, our strategy saved, the name of the strategy is over here. Then we can keep typing, and if we need to, and then click on the save, and when we click save, the scripts compile. At the bottom of the Pine editor we can see another small window that is a console window. That console window provides us information about our code status and about some errors if we have any. Once we save it, it provides us information that the code is saved. If you get any compiling issues, the errors will be displayed in this console window. Console window can be expanded by dragging up and down this line. Also, Pine editor has the key functionalities such as, though Pine editor not as feature rich like some other top editors, but it offers vital functions like search and replace that I demonstrated and versioning for script management. Let's take a look at the versioning. The versioning is displayed in this combo box control, which you can see all the previously saved versions. Right? Let's say, for example, we change this value for the margin short to 80 and we save it. You see, version 3 is created. Version 3 has value for this parameter 80, but let's select the previous version of this script. Previous version has 100 value for this parameter. As you can see, you can select any previously saved version if you need to. In the end of this lesson, I want to say that in the world of algorithmic trading, every second counts. The PineScript editor is your trusty companion, ensuring your scripts are not only accurate but also developed efficiently. This is the end of this lesson, and I will see you in the next one.